Hello and welcome to ZenCart Tutorials. My name's Max. I'm with A1 Website Pro, and this is to help my clients and those of you out there that are interested in the ZenCart framework or management software tool for your online e-commerce business. So what I would like to do is bring we'll start from the login screen. That would be whatever your store is. Right now I'm operating off my local host. You would put in of course your username, your password, and you would hit enter and you would log in. Now, one of the things that I want to bring out here, we're using 1.3.9H. There's a new version available at this time, 1.5.0. Now, just because there's a new version available does not necessarily mean that you want the new version, because when new versions come out, a lot of times they are not compatible with the software that you have installed into your current store, your current e-commerce store now. So for some people I recommend the upgrade, for others that I don't, and the reasons why are numerous. Could be modules that you have installed, like for instance FedEx modules or payment processing modules that are not compatible with the 1.5.0, and you end up with a lot of time and expense trying to get everything programmed right so it's functioning on your new one. So that's a good warning for you, because I know of people in the past that have upgraded and they've had to have some very expensive emergency assistance. So anyway, hopefully that'll save you some time and money in the future. Okay, so this is a basic tutorial. What our goal is to help you to be able to get to the point where you can set up your store, you can set up your modules and start adding products. So that's our goal for this. And for those of you that are my clients, everything's pretty much set up. The only thing that you're going to have to worry about is adding your products. And even some of you that email me your products or have me set up your products, you're not even have to worry about that. But at least this will give you some education on what's happening in the admin panel of your store. Okay, so for those curious minds of yours, I would have to say, don't be afraid to explore any one of these buttons. You're not, just by clicking on this stuff here, you are not going to be changing anything. You could look and observe and stuff. Now once you get over here and you start switching things around, that's whenever things will start changing. But just observing, going around clicking different things, and that's not really going to make a difference. So don't be afraid of your store. The first thing that you need to do though is come over here to configuration and select my store like we just did, and you'll notice as I go down through over these different menu items, the first one is the store name, and if you click on that, you'll notice that I have a way now to type in my store name. And Jason Webb is a fantastic graphics arts designer out of Youngstown, Ohio, and we're patterning this is a website after him. If you want to check out his website, it's jwebdesigns.us. So you can make any type of edits in these little boxes here once they're highlighted, and you want to make sure that you include your first and your last name, and you could go down through here and enter all the information that you need to enter, and it'll update the database. And we're not going to enter, of course, all the information here for time's sake. But that's one of the important things that you want to get out of the way. The rest of these things, you can go over these on your own. I'm not going to cover it in this basic tutorial, because we're going to get to the modules next, and then after the modules we're going to get to the catalog. So if you want to skip ahead in the lessons because you already know all about the modules, then you could skip to the catalog and add in the catalog features. So this is the basic overview, and what I'm just trying to get across here is don't be afraid to go through and click on these different things and see what they do. We'll also be covering gift certificates and coupons, because I know that this is a great interest for a lot of people, and the newsletters that you send out to your clients and your customers.